Hey, traders! Get ready for a game changer in your trading journey. Introducing the 4x pip expert advisor made on top of Bollinger Bands indicator. Bollinger Bands offer a vast list of benefits for traders, serving as a versatile tool for both new and seasoned investors. These bands not only measure market volatility, but also assist in trend identification, pinpointing potential entry and exit points. They act as effective indicators for overbought and oversold conditions, providing valuable insights for strategic decision-making. Bollinger Bands also empower traders to enhance risk management, identify trend reversals, and make informed trading decisions. Entry criteria. The EA opens buy or sell trades based on the Bollinger Bands indicator. It triggers a buy trade when the candle breaks above lower band, and a sell trade when the candle breaks below upper band. Exit criteria. Trades can be closed on trailing stop-loss, break-even, or partial trade closing. Stop-loss and take-profit. The EA allows you to set stop-loss in pips. The take-profit for buy trades is upper band. The take-profit for sell trades is lower band. In this way, trades are closing on the opposite band to ensure 100% profit rate. Partial trade closing. The EA closes 50% trade at the middle Bollinger Band to secure half profit. The remaining 50% trade is closed when price hits the opposite band. Trailing stop-loss. The EA offers trailing stop-loss to trail SL along with the price, generating high profits and providing an optimum exit point. Break-even. The EA also offers break-even point to lock certain profit for a trade so that it never closes out in loss. Alerts. It sends alerts to mobile, email, and MetaTrader desktop whenever an order is placed. Bollinger Band settings. The EA offers inputs to modify the BB parameters, such as period, shift, deviation, and applied price. Live market. The MT4 Bollinger Band EA has the ability to run in the live market across all charts and pairs. Backtesting and optimization. It allows you to backtest EA and optimize parameters, to test the EA's performance and find the most suitable configuration for your trading strategy. Download Bollinger Bands EA from 4x Pip Store now. Smash that like button, hit subscribe for more trading insights,